you can build a real financial asset from scratch and exit for a massive lump sum, well, without ever manufacturing a single physical item. Today, I'm breaking down the exact mathematical path to hitting $27,000 with digital products on Sellvia.
Most online opportunities are just unverified side hustles. If you want a verified legal engine to build wealth, you look at corporate credentials. Sellvia is an official member of the Forbes Communications Council and ranked by Inker's 5,000 among America's fastest growing private companies. Over 1.5 million stores have been launched on this platform, helping people escape the paycheck to paycheck trap. The fastest route to $27,000 is elimination of overhead costs. When you check sellviacatalog.com under digital products, you'll see pre-made guides and professional courses. Because these are completely digital files, you avoid physical inventory, warehousing, and shipping delays. Sellvia structures these products with a highly efficient 50% to 70% markup, and you keep exactly 100% of that markup as net earnings. The infrastructure is fully automated. Sellvia sets up your digital online store and loads it with your selected catalog. Inside your desktop dashboard, you just head to My Store and enter product packs. With a single click, a massive collection of high-demand digital items is deployed into your storefront. When an American consumer purchases, the platform delivers the file directly to their email instantly. Generating traffic to hit your target requires no marketing experience. Open the Sellvia Ads tool in your dashboard. This system scales campaigns on Google and Facebook similarly to Amazon seller ads. Set your daily budget starting at $10 and turn it on. Buyers land on your store immediately, and many active store owners process their first revenue transactions on day one. Maintaining your digital store requires only $39 a month after the trial, which is mathematically just $1.30 a day. Once your store has revenue history, you can cash out for a lump sum by listing it on Sellvia Market. Click the link below to claim a 14-day free trial along with a free $40 advertising coupon. Take control of your career, build a serious asset tonight like this video, and subscribe.